Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk about the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G support Fortnite. Let's check it out. As you can see, I have already installed Epic Game. You can install it from their official website by simply tapping on this. I will open the Epic Games, tap on Fortnite and open it. Let's play the game. Battle Royale, play. As you can see, I am playing Fortnite. So it means Samsung Galaxy A15 5G support Fortnite. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.